Hello everyone, I'm Angela Su from Class 3A. In this film, I'm going to share my trip to Pingxi with you. In this winter break, I went travel by railroad to Pingxi Branch Line for a one-day trip with my friends. We bought Pingxi Branch Line Day Pass. This ticket is very useful, and the ticket only cost us 52 NT dollars. With this day pass, we can visit all the stations on this branch without additional tickets. This day pass is very easy to use and worth the price. If you want to take a trip to Pingxi Line, you must buy this day pass. First stop, we went to Houtong. Houtong is famous as a cat village. We can see cute cats everywhere. Most of the cats are tame and lovable. Tourists can play with them and take pictures with them. In this village, cats are the most beautiful scenery. Houtong is a relaxing and lovable place, which cat lovers must visit. This statue is a landmark in Houtong Station, and it was built to memory of a cat called Black Nose. Black Nose was a star before his death. It is a very smart and adorable cat. When tourists pick up their camera, Black Nose will pose a cute posture for people to shoot. But one day it died, so people made this statue to memory it. This statue has become an attraction in Houtong. Second stop, we went to Shifen. Shifen is a retrospective town with railroad style. Both sides of the railroad are houses and stores. We lay on the railroad track and took some photos when the train had not come yet. It's a very interesting and a little bit exciting experience. Next, we took a walk on Shifen Old Street. There are many stores selling food and souvenirs. We tried some traditional snacks that we seldom see before, such as Moto's popsicle, tofu ice cream, and so on. There is a hanging bridge near the old street. The hanging bridge is made of cypress and it exists more than 60 years. It's a very old and beautiful bridge. Some of my friends were scared. They thought the hanging bridge is wobbly. So when we crossing the hanging bridge, they grab others' hand tightly and keep screaming. The reason that they were so scared was because this hanging bridge had broken once before in 2009. Fortunately, it was broken in midnight, so no one got hurt. In the evening, we visit Pingxi Station. When it was getting dark, this small town was crowded with people who are going to fly sky lanterns. Flying sky lanterns is also our purpose for this trip. We chose the two-color sky lanterns. Red and yellow are represented health and career. We wrote lots of wishes on it. At the red side, we made many wishes about health and happiness. At the yellow side, we made bunches of wishes about earning money, being rich, living in big house in the future, and so on. At the moment when our sky lanterns fly away, we all feel very exciting and touched, because our wishes is going to fly very high to God. So God can see our wishes. At the end of this Pingxi trip, we bought some souvenirs. This is mini sky lanterns. It's made of cloth. Its size is only as big as a pen. The pattern of mini sky lanterns are beautiful and unique. It has LED light in it, so it can shine as a real sky lantern. This kind of souvenir is very special and exquisite. It's good both as a present and for one's enjoyment. This is my trip that I want to share with you. Thank you for your attention.